Good afternoon, dear children. My name is Амаева Малинур Nurdunovna. I'm a teacher of English from Dolaiti. I'm going to present to you a video lesson for the 4th grade. Let's study Module 5, Hot and Cold. The topic of our lesson is weather. Today you will learn new words about weather. You will be able to talk about the weather using these words. Let's learn and write new words. Season – жыл мезгілі. Weather – ауа райы. Clothes – киімдер. Holiday – мейрам, демалыс. It's cloudy – бұлтты. It's cold – суық. It's foggy – тұманды. It's hot – ыстық. It's raining – жаңбыр жауып тұр. It's snowing – қар жауып тұр. It's sunny – күн шуақ. It's windy – желді. Now children, look at the picture and read. Before we start talking about the weather, let's remember that there are 4 seasons in a year. Spring – көктем. Summer – жаз. Autumn – күз. Winter – қыс. And there are also 3 months in each season. March, April, May in spring. June, July, August in summer. September, October, November in autumn. December, January, February in winter. What is the weather like today? It's rainy, it's sunny, it's cloudy, it's snowy, it's hot, it's cold, it's foggy, it's stormy, and it's windy. Open your students' books on page 69, exercise 1. Look at the picture, answer the questions. What season is it? It's winter. Yes, you are right. What's the weather like? It's cold. Excellent. What clothes are they wearing? They're wearing jackets, hats, goggles, and gloves. What holidays are there in this season? New Year. Exercise 2. Listen, point, and repeat.
It's hot. It's windy. It's windy. It's raining. It's raining. It's snowing. It's cloudy. It's sunny. It's windy. It's cold. It's foggy. It's hot. It's raining.
Exercise 3. Read and match. Then say. Yes, you are right. Swimming, a summer activity. Skiing, a winter activity. Surfing, a summer activity. Skating, a summer activity. Camping, a summer activity. And snowboarding, a winter activity. Let's do it together and now make the sentence. Swimming is usually a summer activity, but skiing is winter activity. You are right. Now, children, make sentences with the following words. Write in your copybooks. Your homework. Activity book. Exercise 1, 2, 3, page 48. Express your reflection about lesson using special emotional symbols. Thank you. Goodbye.